Welcome to class, everyone. Today we're going to get started on what we were working on yesterday. But before we do, does anybody have any questions?
I do. How long is this going to take? I have someone coming to do my nails in 30 minutes.
We're going to take some...
I have a question.
Okay.
Is it cool if I leave a little bit early? Because my agent told me I have a good chance of getting traffic, and I really need to get this workout in.
No.
Some of us didn't get to play our senior year, Samuel. I think you can do a few more classes.
Are you guys gonna let Miss M speak, or are you just gonna keep interrupting her?
Okay, let's try to get back on topic.
Gee, my friend just texted me that some place called White Horse Auto Wash is cleaning cars for free if you're in the class of 2020 or a school employee.
Okay, let's just try to focus and
Sorry,
stay-
Mrs. M, it's free.
Well, guess I'm going to White Horse.